He seemed to have accepted his circumstances. All things considered, things looked up for our dear Winston. Alas, pacified as it may have been, the beast would nevertheless remain somewhere deep within the tenebrous vestiges of his soul, biding its time. For isn't this the plight of every man? To obdurately, yet in futility, struggle against nature twofold? The one within, and the one in which we live.
So if I understand you correctly, Dr. Conway, the rare minerals in our island's soil, a result of the tectonic activity in this very region, is vital to your research?
That's right. You could say that St. Monique is quite literally the crucible for this technological pursuit.
And a final question, a lot of people are worried about how this mining will impact our environment.
Rest assured, we work well within the confines of environmental guidelines and procedures.
Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Our interview with Dr. Craig Conway, spokesperson of the Atomic Energy Commission's STEL Tech Division.
Leaflets? What is this crap? Never late, never early, just in time. What the? Glad to be helping Harold on the weekends, especially now. Visit the mainland, just over the bridge. Welcome new customers. So many ads for mainland companies. Damn, this is bad. Really bad. Excuse me. Very subtle. Jeez. Ha! Newly promoted?
Inasmuch as a receptionist is considered a step up from security officer, which is to say, not at all. Why, Mr. Green, it seems you think rather poorly of my profession. Perhaps if I demonstrated how to use this baton here, you would change your mind. Ha! Gotcha! You should see the look on your face. I'm only joking, of course.
Uh-huh.
Come now. To answer your question, though, new company policy. The boss has me noting arrivals and departures. Too many employees are lollygagging in the break room while on the clock, see?
Whatever you say. Psycho. I should check in with Harold.
sometimes. I look out my bedroom window over the boardwalk and the busy streets, and I don't recognize this place anymore. My home, everything's just vacant. And I look at Donnie, and I don't recognize him either. My own son. What would you have done? And you, my love? What about you?
Ah! Prowling around, are you? Ah! What the? Today's deliveries. Johnny's waiting. Get it done.
Tomorrow, it's finally here! My yearly fishing vacation! A peaceful day by the water at my favorite spot. Winston, I expect everything to be in perfect order when I come back. Get your company car and radio me when you're ready for the next delivery.
Got another delivery for me?
Alright, let's see. We deliver Co. 5-ton bird perch. Mayor Eugene Adams. Once town square used to host a statue of a great Lieutenant Birdholt, a local avian fauna. However, has repurposed it as a means of public convenience. Now it resembles a Jackson Pollock painting. Our current mayor, great in his own way, wants to replace it. Alright.
Winston, I've got another job for you. Head on over to the town square in St. Monique City. Our mayor finally got around to replacing that old statue of the town's founder, Lieutenant Birdholt. But before he will pay me to erect the new one, he wants you to get rid of the old one. Right, just attach the chain to the winch on your car. Then you can use the car to pull the statue down. Oh, yikes. Now get back in the car. You should be able to pull that thing along behind you. Take that old coprolite down to the stonecutters west of Mount Callahan.
You're nuts!
Yikes. That old statue of Lieutenant Berthold was an eyesore. The birds had soiled on it so often that the kids called it Old Birdstool. As a child, I remember thinking the town's founder had suffered from a severe case of vitiligo. Oh, yikes. Jeez.
Yikes! Bingo. Where's the try? Let's settle this.
Never mind it falling apart. That thing was mostly feathers and droppings by this point. Ooh, yikes.
Why, hello there, citizen. The name is Mayor Eugene Adams. I take it you are to collect the new monument?
Sure.
Splendid. I'll go ahead and wait in the car while you sort it out. Not every day you have the mayor as a passenger, huh? I decided that on this momentous occasion, it behooved me to supervise the process. Damn it, courier! Seems those Gauls have found their new favorite privy.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, forget it. I won't display a statue that is more than half guano.
Jeez.
Any chance you could speed this up? We shouldn't keep the the good people of St. Monique waiting. Oh, forget it. I won't display a statue that is more than half guano.
Oops.
Oh, forget it. I won't display a statue that is more than half guano.
Oh, jeez.
Our dear founder was actually a forefather of mine. That's why I took the liberty of posing for the statue myself.
It's just a scratch.
Damn it, courier. Seems those Gauls have found their new favorite privy.
Yikes.
Swerve, boy! Swerve! Now winch up the statue onto the pedestal.
Hanging on tight. Screw loose.
Damn it!
Payback o'clock. Slam.
Hey, watch it!
You did a good deed today, citizen.
It's exactly the same.
You're welcome.
Make sure you wash the car off at the end of the day, Winston.
Mr. Green, Donovan's waiting for you in Harold's office. Or is it Don's office now? Well, I digress. Apparently, the old geezer had some kind of a nervous breakdown. Did you hear?
Harold, and he's the one who writes your paychecks, not Donovan. Show some respect.
My sincerest apologies. If I had known you two were so close.
Come in.
We'll have to let more people go, I'm afraid.
I understand, Allison.
Considering the circumstances, the board considers Mr. Johnson at this time.
What circumstances? That's ridiculous. He's worked here for years. Besides, he could do his job in his sleep. Not to be confused by some of the staff who actually sleeps on the job.
I'm just giving you the lay of the land. All the board sees is numbers, Donovan. And the nature of Mr. Johnson's employment makes his quotas difficult.
I need him, Allison. I'm asking you to reconsider.
I'll try. No promises. Gotta go. Talk soon.
Let's get down to brass tacks. There's something off about you, kid. I just know it.
What the hell are you talking about, Donovan?
You've been here, what, 7, 8 months now?
What of it?
I've been doing the rounds, so to speak. Asking questions about you. No one seems to know a damn thing about you. Not even Norman. And you two seem to be getting on like a house on fire.
Are you jealous?
Careful, Winston. How come a man such as yourself finds himself as a glorified paperboy so far from home?
Why do you care? I fail to see how that's any of your business.
That's where you're wrong, Winston. Let me explain. I'm not a kind man, but I am a motivated man. As a businessman, I'll do what needs to be done to fix this company. I will get rid of the obstacles, the wastage, the inefficiencies. And as it stands, I'm in the difficult position of having to let people go. People I trust. You may be clever, and a good courier even. Oh, but I trust you about as much as a penguin trusts a shark as a swimming buddy.
You seem to be a little confused. So, let me help you out. I don't work for you, Donovan. I work for Harold.
Oh, believe me, that's been made abundantly clear to me. But for how long? And then what? An opportunity came across my desk some time ago. Initially, I deemed it too fraught with risk, hardly worth it. However, certain undesirable events has left me to reconsider. That can't be helped, of course. A man does what he has to retain what's rightfully his. Wouldn't you agree? Now, get the hell out of my office.
packed and ready for tomorrow. But before that, Winston, I will go out and start the fire.
Huh, okay.
Radio me when you're ready.
I should find my pickup truck before I use the radio. Hello? I'm ready for the next delivery.
This is an act of war, Winston. That finless little sardine just in time is planning to oust us as the undisputed big fish in this pond. How? By drowning us in flyers, like throwing chum in the water. What amateur. Time to get our hands dirty with some precision fishing, Johnny.
Do you see these, Winston? These are flyers advertising those big mainland companies. With the highway soon to open, they are preparing to come in here and pouch our customers. They plan on airdropping these all over town today, on a Sunday, can you imagine? Listen to me, Winston. I refuse to take this lying down. You are to collect as many of these as possible before they are delivered to people. Bring them back here, to me, you understand? Feel free to catch as many as you can handle, but remember, no dropping them. Round them all up in one sweep or make several trips. Your call, Winston. Just make sure it's efficient.
Oops. Whoops.
Faster, Winston. I need you to work faster.
Ooh, yikes.
Oh my gosh! Hey, oops. Watch it!
I hear the planes overhead. They are coming back around for another volley.
My bad.
We're loose!
I have as many as I need now. Time to turn them in.
Hey, watch it, Grime!
Hey there, gents. Do ladies giggle when you flex? With Mighty Max Muscle Molder, it's time to wave goodbye to those new arms. Our patented program transforms the scrawniest Joe into the town's Hercules in just weeks.
Damn.
With our product, you won't just pass the muster. You'll be the talk of every barbecue. Don't be a dud, be a stud. Mighty Max Muscle Molder.
Finally! Feed those to the fire and then get back out there and collect more! Oh, forget it, Winston. It's no use. The town is already inundated with leaflets and posters.
What's your problem?
Yikes!
This is a scratch.
I have as many as I need now. Time to turn them in.
Winston, they've shifted their angle of attack. They're flying towards the steps. Chase after them. I bet they plan on drenching all of Main Street in handouts next.
Whoops!
Do you see them? They're about to begin dropping their leaflets. Drop me off by the footbridge, then get out there and start catching flyers.
Whoops!
What are you waiting for? Go out there and collect those flyers. Shipping included in purchases above. Winston, you better be catching every one of these leaflets, you hear?
Is this a scratch? I have as many as I need now. Time to turn them in.
Yikes. Hurry up, Winston! I won't let my company flounder because of some garish coupons!
You're nuts!
Good. Now get back out there and collect another batch.
What's inside those crates? Hey, it's raining crates! Whoops! He's catching them!
Oh, shit. Oh, forget it, Winston. It's no use. The town is already inundated with leaflets and posters.
Hey, it's raining crates!
Oh my gosh!
He's catching them!
Enough's enough! Crates open! End! Enough! It's raining crates! What's inside those crates? What the? Take that! That's it! What's inside those crates?
I have as many as I need now. Time to turn them in. Jeez.
Oh my gosh!
Ooh, yikes.
Look at them turning tail and running. Wait, they aren't turning back. They are headed for the boardwalk. Winston, we have to get to Pacifica Boardwalk. Go, go!
Oops.
There they are. Drop me off down by the beach. And then I want you to get out there and start gathering handouts for me.
Oh,
What are you waiting for? Go out there and collect those flyers.
It's raining crates!
raining crates!
I'm walking here! It's raining crates!
Hurry, every payload you miss means we lose another customer.
He's catching them.
Burn! I'll see all of you burn. I'll rid the world of your 2-for-1 coupons and your frequent customer rewards. Just throw those on the bonfire.
I have as many as I need now. Time to turn them in.
He's catching them.
Yes! Look at them turning tail and leaving. Seems like they finally realized it was pointless. You know, Winston, many of the greatest generals of history came from humble beginnings. It was through the demand of command that they showed their mettle. It's the same way with me, Winston. I didn't know I possessed this tactical genius until I needed it.
He's very humble.
Damn.
Where to drive? I had it. Wham!
Cha-ching!
Lunatic!
Hey, watch it! An eye for
Hey
an
there,
eye.
listeners. Ever had one of those days where your kettle's just a tad too close to boiling? Where the car in front takes an eternity at the green light, or the toast? Oh, the toast always seems to burn. Yours truly was.
I should head to We Deliver.
Crap.
You blind?
Time to count sheep, or in my case, falling crates.
The occasional crimson drops were smeared like oil paint on the dusky green thicket grass. I treaded lightly, eyes fixed on the ground, tracking like a hunter. Darn, must be close now. Oh, I am sorry, little one. Determined, I peered off into the distance. As I took aim, it sat down and looked straight at me. Please look away. You have to do this. Breathe, Winston. And so I closed my eyes and took a deep breath. And then... I just couldn't. So I returned home.
The morning shines upon the island. A fresh start for dreams to come up. Wait. That's not, must have jumbled up my notes here. 1 second, please.
Alright, we're gonna call it for tonight right there. Thanks all. Have a great one.